everybody, welcome back to Strands Lighting Division's YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a Q&A session. We are so happy that you have sent us all your questions that we can answer for you. For work lights here, could I put one of your work lights onto my e-bike as a front light? Yes, you can. That is no problem. You have just to see how much power it consumes, so you can make sure that you have the right supply for that. But otherwise it's a perfect idea, and I would recommend you, since you're asking for your e-bike as a front light, you want to have a slightly longer distance. I would recommend you to go for our QUBE or the QUBE version, SIBERIA QUBE, because then you have a long distance light and it still consumes very low amount of electricity. You all guys know that we are releasing a new interior work light, the Unity Interior. This is a product because your workspace matter, and this product is here to give you what you need from that product. You know, we give you a 5000 Kelvin, which is the perfect color temperature for your working space inside the vehicle or in the toolbox and so on. And it is multi-volt, so it's covering all you need, so you can have it on cars and trucks. It comes from 400 lumen up to 1600 lumen, depending on the size. It comes in 3 sizes, like 28, 50 and 1 meter basically. And the question here is, will it come in red? And my answer is yes. It will come in red color. Imagine how good it will look inside your cab. We made it because you asked for it. We get a lot of questions coming in.
Please, can you do this in red? We want to have it inside our cab.
Yes, your wish is our law. So it's coming here in September, the interior light with red color. This one I recommend you to put inside your cab as indirect lighting, you know, in behind the cabin or something, a cabinet or cab, underneath the dashboard, you know. You will have a great indirect lighting that gives you a nice and red color. One question we get a lot is, okay, what is Strands' idea behind the products? And I will tell you, it comes from you guys. We have like a motto that we say, feel the passion, and our vision is for every driver, every day. And that is very true. That is what we do. We look at you, we listen at you, we talk with professionals and passionate people that are using lights. You give us all the ideas that we need to do the newest product with the highest innovation in the functionality, but also the best design and the highest personality, identity of the product. That's our core. We do that a lot. We concentrate all our knowledge into make a product that gives you the right glow and give you the chance to show your passion or to boost your passion. Sometimes we get the questions regarding sometimes 10 times on this paper I got a question, so what is the function warranty? 3 years function warranty, and I'll tell you that it's kind of easy. So here, have a look on this ambassador. So the function warranty is, if the position light is stopped working within 3 years, you will get a new ambassador. So this is covering, you know, manufacturing mistakes or problems that we have caused. You will be replaced with a new product. Don't forget to take care of your lights. They will last longer. Okay guys, I have really enjoyed this Q&A session. So fun to be interacting with you and your questions. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Follow us on social media. And please leave us all your comments, questions below here on YouTube, so we will take them up in the next Q&A. Take care, be safe.